Dear classes, honorable principal, teachers and my fellow, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasbisa Farha. I am a student of class 2. Today I stand with you to say something about importance of learning English. English is an international language. It is an international language, but it is commonly used all over the world. The people of the whole world use the language for communication. At present, we cannot think our life without English. Most of the records, documents and particularly written in English. All the journals, magazines, articles and paper are also written in English. Without knowing English, we know that it is the age of information, communication, technology and science. But it is a matter of sorrow that we cannot realize the importance of learning English. That's all about importance of learning English. Thank you everyone.